Okay, so for the moment we're going to finish out doing the electrical here. So we're just going to be installing the last of the outlets here. Hopefully we'll have enough in our pouch. Finish that up. I think I may actually have one. Might be short by one. Let's try not to get electrocuted today. So safety first. We'll use this guy here. Detects whether there's juice in the wires or not. But we obviously have one that's hot here coming over, but it's capped off already, so we won't have a problem there. But we'll just check to make sure all the rest of these don't have any electricity on them at the moment. And it looks like we're good to go. This video is for demonstration purposes only. If you are not a licensed professional, do not try this at home. So here's a question for you while we're working today. What is the best tools? Who has the best batteries? Is it DeWalt or is it somebody else? Would you comment below and tell the audience here which one you prefer? I know everybody has a favorite, and there's pros and cons probably. One's more expensive, one's less expensive, one's easier to replace, one battery lasts longer than the other. But why don't you tell us? So it doesn't look like I have enough for those last two over there. Only have one left, so I'm going to do that one so I can tie them in. I'll have to put the caps that are over here on that down there for the time being. I'll have to go to Lowe's tomorrow. I'm buying some totes to put along this wall over here. Obviously this is all going to have to be moved again, but we're going to purchase a wire rack shelving unit and then some clear plastic totes. But anyways, that's the goal for tomorrow while I'm at Lowe's, which is probably where I'm going to be buying them. At least that's where I plan to. I went to Dollar General earlier today. Did not like the price, and I didn't like the quality of the ones that were there. So anyways, that's why we didn't buy them there. Otherwise I would already have some of the materials. Again, probably will be buying the mesh or racks or whatever they're called, probably from Lowe's, or I might order them from Amazon. Just depends. We'll have to check prices and compare. Anyways, back to getting this last one done. Another little tool for that one. It's this guy right here. And we're going to plug this in, and it should light up according to that. 2 yellow lights. We did okay on the first one. 2 yellow lights, 2 there, and 2 there. Really need to take that off. Alright, we can plug those back in. One thing I do like about these is their flexibility. I think these are called durable nylon. They're sold by Lowe's. I'll see if I can find a screenshot of these. But this was a 10-pack. I don't remember how much it was, but we'll look them up and put them in the description. And there's the last one for today. I'll have to buy some more outlets when I go to Lowe's tomorrow. A few outlets left. Alright, so here is the next part of how are we going to set up the freight container as an office. I am bringing my printer, and I've got a rolling printer stand, I guess you could call it. It's the thing I keep my printer on. So we're going to roll that in here. We're going to put it in that, whoops, where is it? Right there in that back corner. And before we do that though, we're going to have to go move some stuff. Be right back. I'll I'll let you in a little secret. Not really secret, but those 2 big boxes that I just moved, those will come in a future project. Those are 2 components that will be installed in here to be used for the summer. Just a little hint to be coming soon. Alright guys, so the next step of this project is setting up the printer that's right over there. I don't have it plugged in or anything yet. I did bring it out here. Getting ready to set the rest of it up. I've got a computer that I always hook it up to. I use a Windows computer. It's a Dell, I think. Doesn't really matter. I have a monitor, a nice monitor that I'm going to hook up to it. This computer is pretty much going to run just the printing and handling that part of stuff. So it'll handle eBay label printing. I do have Google Cloud Print set up currently, but I understand that's going to go away here soon. It really was supposed to go away already. And technically it's not supported anymore, but it still does work. Or at least has been working for me. So anyways, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and start setting up the rest of the computer. So one of the other things that I'm going to do today is, and if anybody knows why that printer makes that kind of noise and what I can do to fix it, please comment right down there. I would love for somebody to explain why it makes that noise or what I can do to potentially fix it. But the other thing we're going to do today is we're going to install one of these. This is actually it's made by Open Mesh, and it literally is just a mesh network that will be my internet indoors, all the way out here in my freight container. Now, the freight container, because it's an insulated unit, it has all this aluminum, stainless, whatever it is, freezer panels, type of stuff. It's obviously just kind of like a big metal box. It's not going to let the internet in here very easily. It does get here, but not as strong as I would like. I'm going to install one of these at the front window. So now that we've got that installed right here behind us, right over there, I'll go back over there and finish setting up the rest of that. Fan full of labels? Whoopsie. Maybe that's too many. Awesome, I think it worked. Well, it looks like... Okay, I just created a new user on the computer because I wanted to set up everything fresh. And so what we did is we have a big printer up here, thermal printer, extra labels. Now, I personally like using these 2-up labels from UPS. For some things, hopefully you can see that there's 2 on this label. Those are awesome labels. You can get them for free from UPS if you're a UPS shipper member. Occasionally, these are also very handy. These you can get for free as well. These guys here, they're the leaflet inserts. So you fold a piece of paper in half, and these are sticky on the back. You just peel off the back side of it. Anyway, so here's where I was able to stick several fan folds of the thermal laser printers, thermal labels for the printer. I'm mumbling all over the place. I bet it's time for me to go to bed. Anyways, so that's where that is. And an extra toner down there. Oops, don't look at those wires. What a mess. Alright, anyway, so this will be the new ship area. I believe that is all for tonight. I will check with you guys tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, Addie, for all you do. And we shall see you in the next video.